Welcome back, guys. So let's go ahead and get the rest of the Caribbean upset with today's dish. Let's go ahead and make this delicious pot of chicken curry. Let me jump in. Alright, so we're gonna start off with our freshly washed and cleaned chicken. I'm using chicken thighs. You can use whatever part of the chicken that you wish to use, and we're gonna season this to your liking. So for my seasonings, I'm adding onion powder, garlic powder, basil, black pepper, chicken bouillon seasoning, the scallion allspice Jamaican seasoning. I like to add that to absolutely everything. So again, season it however you want to. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some curry powder to this and some turmeric. So while I season my chicken, I went ahead and I roasted up my geera and my pimento seeds. I'm going to pound this up until it becomes a powder, and then I'm going to add that to my chicken also. I'm going to make my paste. Again, everybody cooks very differently, so please don't come at me. This is not how you make curry chicken. This is not how you make chicken curry. This is how I make it. So I'm going to use garlic, onions, ginger, and some scallion, and I'm going to blend this up, guys. I ran out of green season, so this is what I typically do every time. If I don't have green season, then I quickly make a semi-green season because it doesn't have all the ingredients, but this is how I do it for my chicken curry. So go ahead and add that to your chicken also. Now you want to make sure that this is well seasoned, everything is nicely mixed in with that seasoning and everything, and you want to make sure this is resting overnight. If not, 30 minutes at max, so you can be well marinating or marinated, or like some would say, if you have seasoning hands, just go ahead and cook immediately. I'm gonna let mine sit for 30 minutes and then we'll get to cooking. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes, so let's go ahead and start to cook our curry. So the first thing you want to do is burn your curry. At this point in time, guys, some people might add more garlic, more chopped up onions, whatever you want to do. I don't do that because everything is already in my chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and burn my chicken, and then my curry, and then I'm going to add my chicken to it. And you want to make sure everything is well incorporated in that curry powder and let it go. Now I'm going to let this sweat on its own to bring out the natural juices from the curry before adding before adding any kind of liquid or water to it. So just cover this down and let it go for about 15 minutes. Alright, so at this point the juices of the chicken has sweated out, so you have a lot of gravy going. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my potatoes to this, guys. It's pretty simple and sweet today with today's recipe. Add your potatoes, add your carrots, whatever else you want to add, and then you're gonna go ahead and cover this down and then let it come to a boil, simmer, and serve. And that is it for today's video, guys. Very simple and sweet. I do hope that you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and until next time, thank you for hanging with me, and I appreciate you so much. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family.